Good morning, class 3. So today we'll study your chapter 4 of English, that is a wonderful gift. Okay. A long time ago, there lived in America a little boy named Benjamin West. Okay, so a long time ago in America, there was a little boy whose name was Benjamin West. Benjamin loved pictures. Okay, he loved pictures, but he had never seen any pictures except other than a few small ones in a book. He loved their bright and beautiful colors. So he really liked pictures and he used to love looking at them, but he has only seen a few of them in books. Okay, he loved their colors and everything. His father and mother did not think it was right to spend money for such things. They thought the pictures might take his mind away from more useful things. So his father and mother used to think that this is not important and it is a waste of time to spend money on such things, and if he gets interested in all this, it would just make him forget about the other useful things in his life. One day Benjamin's mother had to go out for some work. She told Benjamin to stay in the house and take care of his baby sister until she came back. So one day Benjamin's mother, she had to go out for some work, okay, and she told Benjamin that you stay in the house and take care of your little baby sister, okay, and when I'll come back, till that time you stay here and take care of her. He was glad to do this because he loved the baby. So he really loved his sister, okay, so he was very happy. He was glad, he was happy. She was asleep in her crib. In her crib, you can understand like the cot, okay, the baby's cot. For a while, he sat very still. Very still means without moving, okay. He sat still. He did not want to make any noise and wake her. So obviously, the baby was sleeping. So he did not want that, he should make any kind of noise and the baby should get up. He could hear the clock ticking. He heard the birds singing. Soon he began to feel a little lonely. So there was so much quietness in the room that he began to feel lonely because he could hear the clock ticking, the birds singing, but there was no one around. A fly sat on the baby's cheek and he brushed it away. Brushed it away means removed something, okay, with one hand stroke. Like if a fly sits on our hand or our cheek also, we remove it with the stroke of our hand, right? So then he thought what a pretty picture he could make of his sister's lovely face and her little hands. So he decided that he'll make a picture of his little sister and her little hands, okay. He had no paper, but he found a cardboard. He took a cardboard, you can see here in this picture. He took a cardboard and then he took a charcoal. Charcoal is a hard black burnt piece of wood, okay. So he took that and he began to draw her face and her hands. The baby smiled but did not wake up. The baby was smiling but she did not wake up. The picture grew. The picture grew means it slowly started to complete. As the charcoal touched the cardboard, here was her round head covered with pretty curls. Here was her mouth. Here was her little round eyes and small ears, and here was her tiny hands. So he made a complete portrait kind of a thing of his little baby sister, okay, with all the details like the curly hair, the mouth, the eyes, small ears, tiny hands and everything, okay. It was very quiet in the house. He was so busy drawing that he did not think of anything else. He did not even hear his mother's footsteps as she came into the room. So he was so involved in making that drawing, that picture, that he did not even hear that his mother was coming, okay. He did not even hear her footsteps when she came into the room. So when she saw, she said, "Oh Benjamin, what have you been doing?" she cried. So the boy sprang up alarmed. I mean, he just stood up, warned. Okay, he understood, oh my God, mom is here. "It's only a picture of the baby, mother," he said. So he said that it's only a picture of the baby. I just drew a picture of the baby. His mother was so overjoyed that she hugged him and kissed him. Overjoyed means very happy, okay. She was very happy to see the picture. So she hugged him and she kissed him, embraced him and then kissed him. Then suddenly she began to worry. Then, she got worried and she thought, had Benjamin done the right thing? She thought, "Benjamin, how did you learn to draw such a lovely picture?" she asked. So his mother asked him that how did you learn to draw such a lovely picture? "I didn't learn it, I just did it. I couldn't help but do it." So he said, "I have not learned it from anywhere. I don't know, something just made me do it. I could not stop myself." When Benjamin's father came home, his mother showed him the picture. It looks like her, doesn't it? She asked. But I don't know what to think. Is it very wrong for Benjamin to do such a thing? She added. So she showed the picture to his father, and she said that I don't know. It really looks like her, but I don't know if it's right for him to draw such picture. Benjamin's father did not answer. He looked at the picture carefully and then he handed it back to his wife and said, "Put it away." He said, "You just keep it away." And he did not say anything about it. He did not praise it at all. Several weeks later, the priest of their church called on them. The priest, obviously the headman of the church, okay, he looks somewhat like this. So Benjamin's called on them means visited them at their house. Okay, he came to their house. The priest was a very old man with a very pleasant face. Okay, he was very kind. He was loved and respected by everyone. Benjamin's parents decided to show him the picture. So his parents decided to show the priest the picture. So they told him how Benjamin was always trying to draw something every now and then. So they wondered if they should stop him from doing so. Like in previous times, people thought that anything creative like painting, singing, acting was not right. Okay, and people were even punished for it. In the ancient times, this was the rule. Okay, this was not considered appropriate. The priest looked at the picture for a long time. Then he called Benjamin to him and put his hands on his head. So the priest put his hand on his head, like just how you get blessings from someone, right? So this child has a wonderful gift. Why should anyone stop him from doing what he loves? He said. So the priest said that this guy has a natural gift. Why will you stop him from doing what he loves doing the most? Let him do what he wants. Let us hope that Benjamin will grow up to be an honor to our country. Honor to our country means to make their country proud. Okay. And the words of the priest came true. Many years later, Benjamin West became a great painter and his pictures made him very famous. So Benjamin West literally is a painter. Okay, he's an American painter. He was very well known for his war paintings, and he has also taught many artists who became famous painters. Alright, so his words actually came true and he became a great painter and his pictures made him very famous. Okay, so this has been adapted from 50 Famous People by James Baldwin. Okay, James Baldwin was a famous American teacher and writer. He wrote books for children and adults. He has also written textbooks for schools. Alright, so that's it for this chapter. Have a good day.